Let's look at a few details on the discovery of nuclear energy. Hahn and Strassmann were German physicists who were interested in an interesting phenomenon known as transmutation. If you just take a source of high energy neutrons known as a neutron gun, you could shoot them into heavy atoms such as uranium, and you could get these to take on the neutrons and somehow change their nucleus to form higher mass elements. This is actually done today to try to synthesize the highest molecular weight elements. But Hahn and Strassmann found something that puzzled them. When they shot neutrons at uranium atoms, it produced a smaller atom, barium. How could an atom possibly get smaller if it absorbed a neutron? It's supposed to get bigger. They turned to their collaborator, Lise Meitner. Lise was in Sweden because she was afraid of being arrested by the Nazis and placed in a concentration camp for her Jewish faith. It's hard to say who might have built the bomb if she had been working on the German side in the war. But Lise was a theoretical physicist who knew what could and couldn't happen in an atomic nucleus. She published her ideas. She said, "You cracked it in half," and called the new process nuclear fission. Other physicists, a lot of whom had also fled from the Nazis, got pretty excited when they read Lise's paper, because they knew something about atoms that was disturbing. They knew that the protons and neutrons in lighter elements like barium weighed less than they did in heavier elements like uranium. So when uranium cracked in half, the protons and neutrons lost some mass. Einstein had discovered that when mass is lost, it always turns into energy. So they wondered, how much energy? Well, a lot of energy got released. To begin with, the amount of mass lost was 4 grams for the size of the smallest possible atomic bomb. Einstein famously showed that when mass disappears, it becomes energy, according to the equation E equals mc squared. And the calculations show how much energy you would get from 4 grams. So, how much energy do we get? How much is this? Well, it's 1 billion times the energy from burning 4 grams of coal. The energy equivalent to burning 100,000 tons of coal is how much it was equal to. It was astounding to discover this during a war.